Hello, we are back at it again for week number 3 of the fiber gifts of this year. So let's open it up and see what we have. Ta-da! Just kidding, you can't see it yet. But look at all of these. So there's more. So this is a lovely merino bamboo mix of spinning fiber or felting fiber or whatever you want. So we've had merino bamboo and other things mixes before, but never in multicolor. So this is really exciting. This is somewhat new for us. So it's just lovely. We're very excited. This is lovely fiber. And we'll open these up for you so that you can see without all the plastic and all that jazz. But anyway, these are going to be going up for sale on October 29th. And they are, before I forget, an 85% merino, 15% bamboo blend, which is really important to know. So, October 29th, and they are going to be 20% off. So, feel free to grab you some. Got lovely colors. Love this like heathery look. This one's my favorite for sure. But they also have like this one with the cool and then the bright spots of the warm colors, the orange in there, this lovely blue. So lots of good stuff to be had in here. So get yourself some fiber.